Welcome. Today we are learning Tunisian crochet. Tunisian crochet is a blend of knitting and traditional crochet. You'll use a special elongated hook to keep multiple loops on the hook at once. So I'm going to show you a nice beginner set of hooks. This has everything that you need to get started. Many different sizes of hooks. It comes with the little stoppers and 3 different sizes of extension cords for your project. This is made by Clover, and it's just a nice little kit to start with. So today we're going to be using a size 6 hook, and I'm also using Lion brand Wool Ease yarn for our project. So we're just going to start with 15 stitches because we just want to make a sample so you can get started learning this beautiful Tunisian crochet stitch. It's called the Tunisian Simple Stitch that we're going to learn today. So just pop that on your hook and chain 15. All right, so we have 15 chains. That's how we're going to start. Now, you are going to turn your project over and find the little bumps on the back side. And that's what you're going to be working into. So you can see them right here. You're going to ignore this first one and go into the second one. So put your hook underneath there, yarn over, and pull through. And then the second little bump, put your hook in, yarn over, and pull through. And just find all the little bumps as you go along. This first row is a little different than all of the following rows. Okay, now in the very last stitch, you're going to see 2 pieces of yarn there. You're going to go underneath both of those pieces of yarn, and you're going to pull your yarn through like that. Okay, now this is when you're going to be doing your return pass. So the first stitch, you're always going to pull yarn over and pull through 1. And then the rest of the stitches in the row, you will yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. All the way back. So now you're going to do your forward pass. So you're going to go work into these vertical bars. So you skip the first one and you put your hook under that first vertical bar, yarn over and pull through. The next one, yarn over, pull through. And you always work this row right to left, all the way along. This stitch is such a nice, relaxing stitch to work, and you can make a beautiful, beautiful blanket with this. And then again, in the last stitch, you're going to find the 2 yarns. Go under both of those, yarn over and pull through. Okay, that's called the return pass chain. That's a chain created here at the end. And then you're going to yarn over and just pull through that 1. And then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, let's do one more row. So again, you skip this stitch and you go into the next vertical bar, yarn over, pull through 1, you can start to see how beautiful this stitch is. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video and you'd like to keep learning, subscribe and hit the like button. I'll be showing you my very favorite Tunisian crochet blanket that you will want to make again and again. It is such a fun pattern. See you next time.